we're looking to book a room for tonight and tomorrow night.
So we just had this idea. It's Friday and we kind of want to go away for the weekend, so we found this place. Have a look at it.
Alright, see you at 4.
Look.
Yes, we're going away.
Where are we staying?
We're staying in a signal box.
Alright, what do we do? What do we pack? We're going for 2 nights and we need to leave in about 15 minutes, so... Camera gear, that's what I need. What do you need? What's your priority?
Undies.
Alright, I'm good. You get your undies? Then we're good. Let's go. You ready for this, Moss?
Yeah.
It's much colder here than in Melbourne. You brought a jumper, right?
I think I forgot it actually.
Oh no.
But you.
Hello.
Hi. How are you? Yes.
I'm Kim.
Hi Kim.
Nice to meet you.
G'day, Kim.
Hello.
How you going, mate?
Good. If you go back down the driveway, turn right after the gate posts,
Yeah.
I'll meet you at the signal box.
Okay,
Great.
perfect.
Okay?
Ciao.
So we're staying in a signal box. There was train carriages, but they were booked out, so we got the signal box. Either way, it's cheaper and it's good. Is this actually an old signal box?
Yeah, it was built about 120 years ago, and it was in Ballarat until 19 years ago.
Oh, so it's been transported here.
Yeah, we cut it in half and bought it out.
Amazing.
And where are the train carriages?
There's only one, and
only
it's
one.
just through there.
And we're here. Slightly different to our St Kilda apartment. But I'm digging this. It's a cold weekend. I don't think this would be great if it was summer, really stinking hot. So we haven't really brought a great deal of clothing because it's still just on the back. Like yesterday was 33 degrees.
We also didn't bring a great deal of winter clothing because we had like 20 minutes to like decide that we were coming, drive home, pack and leave.
True.
I am you, oh, we are Australian. This place is like feels a bit Australian.
I've forgotten underwear.